Hello and welcome to my channel. This is me going hiking in Kielder on the border of Scotland with my brother and my dad. It's one of the toughest challenges I've ever faced in my life. We end up hiking about 13 miles in this video. And by the way, if I haven't told you already, my name's Aaron. Welcome to the channel. Enjoy the video. Thought I'd go through some basics of what I've got in my hiking bag. So I've got a power bank, well, two power banks. One of the Apple ones. I've got a tripod there for my phone, obviously, and then a head torch just in case we got stuck in night. We've got some plasters. I've got some water purifier tablets, as well as some wet wipes, just for like if you have a shit or if you need to clean your face, what have you, your hands. This is the cooking gear. We have some like firelighters, you've got your forks, your knives, your spoons there, your tins. You've got absolutely everything you need. Some oats there as well, which I didn't end up having actually, but they're there just in case of emergency, I suppose. And I'm using a lamb's foot knife, as well as, I don't even know what you call it, some kind of hacksaw sort of thing for some tree and wood. It is insane, by the way. Well, good morning, people. Let's get this day started. Right, people, on about what I'm wearing. I've got a belt. That's for the pants, because they do slip up and down. I've got a... Yes, this has just been ironed and everything, but, you know, just an Amazon top, plain black top. And I've got a Big House fleece, which is going to go under the coat that I'm going to be wearing from Kielder, may I add. And then I've just got these waterproof and insulated pants from... outdoors. Insulation, completely waterproof as well. I'm probably going to be too warm wearing these, and I don't have spare ones, so I have to try and manage that. But yeah, they're really warm on the inside, and there's the insulation bit. Right, as for electronics, I've got a head torch if I'm going to need it. I'm still going to bring it. I've got a, I think this is 20,000 or 27,000 or something. I know that's a big jump, but big power bank that is hopefully fully charged. I'm not quite sure. My glasses, so I can see. My Apple Watch, which is fully charged. Also, another power bank. This one's really diabolical, but the Apple branded one. This was like £90, and honestly, it's dreadful. But I'm going to bring it just in case this one somehow runs out. It shouldn't, but just in case. Then we've got my wireless Beats earphones. I'm bringing some expensive equipment with us, and I probably shouldn't. Tripod for my phone and getting all them cinematics and that. I've got a USB to Lightning. That's to charge my phone in the car. I can also use it on this, but I prefer to charge USB-C to Lightning, because it's just much faster. So that is all the electronics, as well as my phone that I'm bringing. That is on the road, but all off the top of my head, I don't think I'm bringing any other electronics, so I should be fine. We have an hour-long road trip ahead of us, and yeah, I can't wait. Not to do with us. By the way, I do just need to say the woman and our kids were completely fine. We have indeed arrived, but there is a problem. The ticket machine isn't working, so if there's any ticket wardens watching this who work in Kielder, you're all bastards. And just let off for the fine, I suppose. Also, I will try and get my dad to get the footage off the dash cam of the car crash. That was hefty. The mission. So, alert coat, obviously. Well, I showed this at the very start, but the insulated waterproof pants as well. The backpack, which this is my very first time actually wearing it to walk around with, so it's going to be interesting. It's not that heavy, obviously. We haven't brought the tents, or did you put my sleeping bag in me bag? You did. Aye. So I've got the sleeping bag in there as well. We're not actually going to be sleeping, it's just to sort of trial how much it's going to weigh and all that. But I feel comfortable at least, which is good, and it's not too cold, although my dad thinks it's cold like. But yeah, it's not that cold, and obviously when we're going to be walking 26 mile or however how much we're going to make up, you'll be sweating anyway. I've got to ask you something, Lewis. How are your Gillette boots holding up?
My Gillette boots conveniently and lovelily sent to us by Gillette, so doing very good.
Yes. And that brings us to today's sponsor, Gillette, and the fact that I'm giving away a pair of size 8 hiking boots. If anyone is interested, follow the steps that are in the description down below in this video, and you guys will be in of a chance of winning size 8 hiking boots sent from Gillette. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video, by the way. It means a lot, and giving me the chance to give some away. Tell you what, as well, this jacket's not all warm, but it's only warm because Gillette sent it. Okay. Nearly fell on the arse about 3 times today already. I saw a woman crash her car, and then I've nearly fell on my arse 3 times. This is what we're coming off all day. See, now this is the thing. With us doing this, we're building ourselves up for bigger challenges. We're getting used to the feeling of the backpack and that. The only thing is, this is without the tent. But you've also got to fit in your backpack. Your tent is... Well, the 2-man tent's quite heavy. But the 1-man tent isn't. We have found a nice open spot. I'd imagine you should be able to tell us the science behind this, but why is the water like red? Do you have any clue?
Rocks and shit, probably.
Just pure murkiness and that.
Oh, you didn't get my ball back, did you?
It's going to be in the video anyway, as well. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just imagine camping there. Jesus. Fuck me. I am quite literally, it is Yarrowly English. It's weirdly silent until me da throws this rock into the water. It is weirdly silent. Jesus. This is what, like 5 minutes into the trail as well? Fuck me.
50.
See on?
Your skin.
Your bones.
Stupid.
That was a proper donkey up.
Oh shit.
He's playing with life today, like. How do you do it? Looks like you're working out. Read it.
I don't have a problem, so I probably look invisible.
What? What? Cool. Wow. Yes. Snow is actually pretty deep. But none other than Gillette with our boots. Perfectly fine. Absolutely fine. I think the only problem with places like these, every like corner you're turning at, it all just looks the exact same as what you've just walked past. It's very easy to get lost. Hopefully we don't get lost. But oh my god. Genuinely feels like I'm in a different country. The snow does make this like 1,000 times better. Don't make a chocolate. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Wow. We've just saw a deer. I'll not be able to get it on camera, but it's over there somewhere. It's just run off. Wow. Wildlife literally like 30 minutes into the trip. The jacket's hard to come off. It's too warm. I might actually need to take my fleece off you now as well. I'm actually boiling. It's absolutely silent. It's not as silent as the Gillette beach. This is what all the old biddies want on YouTube though. I want someone to go in depth with Kielder water and forest. All the videos I've seen, people struggle to sort of film this much of the actual place itself. I didn't even know this bit of the forest existed, because on all the videos, they don't film it. It's incredible. Goggles about to come off because I was fucking steaming up. Well, it's been a good few years since you've been on the channel.
Yeah, fuck no.
Remember that prank you done when you threw
whipped cream on it?
Years ago, that. How far we come, eh?
I think I was like 15 when I did that, you know. You must have been like 11.
This is incredible, this. That is incredible. And I've got water purification tablets, so if we desperately needed water, you'd be able to drink from that right there. And now, coming up probably the steepest bit yet, the most elevation. I'm shitting it. But that looks cool, but I don't want to go off track to be fair.
That looks like when I was in Norway. In the sauna, you got like 15.
But this is very steep, this bit, yeah. Very, very steep. And we've just been down there. It is overall, Baz, quite an easy trail to follow. To not get lost, I mean. It's not easy to walk. That's tiring and that, but it's like a full circle, really. So we are now on the other side of the river. We come from that path over there, all the way around up to here. The problem about this is we're now facing the sun, which is very bright on the way back round. So that's a bit of a problem. But Kind of bait you got there, boss? Me serene malt loaves.
Grab a bait like it. Oh, that's stupid.
Save the planet. Deforestation and that. That's absolutely devastating. With the wind blowing all the trees down. Jesus. That was incredible. I did not realise there was this much elevation. I climbed a fucking mountain. Jesus, man. It's mint though. Absolutely mint. You're literally just in the middle of nowhere. I'm still, somehow, getting a 4G here as well. Full balls. Fuck knows how. We are literally ages away from any like humanity. It's mental. This is what it's about. Now I've seen enough films to not go directly into a fucking wood like that. Cabin in the woods and all. That's mint. They are catching up, slowly but surely. There's a person just there who passed us before.
Nearly fell.
Sue! Oh, I've just covered myself in snow. Righty-ho, it is now 20 past, 11, and we're going to be setting up for dinner. We've been gone 2 hours of that. We've found a little
bait spot.
Right on the river. This is lovely. So with the paths just up there, and we've sort of made ourselves down here. But look at that. Jesus. Bit rocky like.
If it's just a one-man tent,
but the walking path's just there. So if you were to camp, you can honestly just camp right here if you want to be. You know, it's slightly away from the path, you will get spotted, but this is what life is fucking made for, lads. This is unbelievable. So we're going to set up, have some bait. I think we're cooking hot dogs, which is pretty nice. But we started, I'll try and zoom in, all the way down there, and in 2 hours we've made it all the way across. Bearing in mind everything sort of zigzags, it's not really a straight line, but we've still got all the way in here, all the way around, and back down. I reckon we can do it today. I reckon. But that is unbelievable. Wow. That is just, that's incredible, honestly. Absolutely incredible. So we've got Baz now setting up the little cooking pot. Which got, what's that, methylated spirits, Baz?
Methylated spirits.
Whoa! How have you done that? How on earth have you done that?
I need a fatter stone.
Bit of bait, like. Yes, this was really plain, but do not judge me. I didn't have any sauce or anything. It was a lovely piece of bait.
Any bit of bait, like. How long did that take? 10 minutes?
Not even that, really. I think after bait, we're just heading back. They're deciding to. I wanna go the full distance. I think you could in a day. You'd be leaving it late. We've so far travelled about 2 hours, 3 hours, and we've made it a good quarter of the way there. So I think it'd take you 6, 7, probably 8 hours at the latest to make it the full way round, which is quite a distance. So we've come from all the way down there, and so this is all rigid. This bit down here cuts all the way in, so you've got to come all the way back down. So yeah, this is where we've stopped our food, and then we'd continue this trail, and it goes just all the way along. It is massive, back down to where your car would be down there. So it is huge. But it's not up to me whether we'll go the full distance, I suppose. Just what I was on about before, on one of the clips saying I've seen too many films to know what happens here. We've come across a cabin. That looks beautiful, mind you. Let's see how this goes. Oh, is it not just like a... I've got no clue what it is.
Yeah, probably like a little grass pipe. Not really, take a look.
There's a boat. There's a bloody boat.
What's possibly going wrong? Well, he's got good eyes and looking out the boat like.
I mean, I don't know how you can't see it.
Oh.
Aye. Don't know what could be happening here. Hello. This is weird. Pause the video to read that, people. This is a bit weird. It's cool though. Whoa. That is probably the quietest it's been. Just silent.
It's an architectural thing about someone called Robin and Freya. Robin lived in this cabin, and Freya lived.
Tell you what, me blisters are starting to creep up on us now. He's not got blisters, like.
No.
That's the Gillette boots. Wait, you've got Gillette boots on, don't you, boss?
Yeah, I do.
Baz has got Gillette boots. Lou Dog has Gillette boots. I have Berghaus boots, and I've got blisters. What a great company. We'll see. My jacket's kept us warm as well. So, then, and see, I'll test the sleeping bag whenever we go camp at the sun. What a company. This has been one of the most physical challenge I've ever had in my life. I like it. Pushing myself to the limits. So we're backtracking now. I would have loved to come overnight, but with my dad, his age, and he's also got this health problem where his limbs go very cold in the cold. So we're not going to be camping overnight, unfortunately, but we are backtracking, and going back up the hills is horrible. You can probably hear us. I'm really out of breath. When we're setting up for food, I got a bit cold, so obviously you stand still. But when you're moving about, I'm sweating, absolutely sweating. So obviously your heart's pumping, you're working harder and more. But this is
Also good training for my breathing. Get my breathing back up to the best I possibly can. Yeah, it's a beautiful place, man. It is lovely, but really one of the most toughest challenges I've ever faced in my life. If you're wondering where me and my brother are, they're all the way back there. I'm just trying to power through it. The slower I'm gonna go up a hill, the more power I'm gonna have to use. It's like getting a car up a hill. Instead of stopping, you just want to go. Just go. So we've now made it back to where I threw the snowball earlier. And my dad and my brother are just down there. Not too far to go now, to be fair.
This bit on the way back was absolutely terrible. The terrain had somehow gotten worse on the way back than it was coming. So, yeah, it took us... I do still think it took us the same amount of time, to be fair, but it was terrible on my feet.
It was challenging. So far, like an hour of walking back. You know, like an hour and a bit to go.
But one of the main reasons that I wanted to come here in the first place is just the views that you get over it. I can't even imagine what this place looks like in the summer, but the snow made it look so much better. And I did say it earlier in the video, it generally felt like you're in a different country. This was us taking one of many stops.
Right. We've just been powering through the last bit. We've probably got another hour until we get back to the car. Yeah, it's taking a toll on us now. We've done about 11 mile. The whole lake is 26. So we've done like half of it. He's done it. The car's right there.
And that will do it for the video. I do just want to say a massive thank you to Kielder for sponsoring this video, as well as to me brother and my dad for coming with us. It's a trip I've wanted to do for ages. And this is hopefully the first of many hiking and wild camping trips. Yeah, massive thank you to Kielder for sponsoring. If you guys did enjoy this video, and if you're all new around here, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, smash that like button, and make sure you've got that notification bell turned on so you do not miss the next upload or next time that I post anything like a live stream. But hopefully we'll be back very soon with the next hiking trip, and I'll see you there for it. Peace.